Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so you guys do not miss on any of the trades that I give on regular basis. We give you different scenarios either of buying and selling both, so you guys do not miss any possible trade that might come your way. Okay, so now we will start off with the dollar analysis first of all, and for that we will continue from where we left off yesterday, and our accuracy is more than 80 to 90%, and you guys can check that from my previous videos as well. Okay, so let's continue with the dollar analysis of today. And when we were discussing dollar yesterday, dollar was trending over here. We gave you a selling trade from here, but that did not take place initially. We gave you a risky buying setup if market closed above this area. You guys can clearly see that market closed above this area, and we guys could have gone long and made profit till here. And furthermore, we mentioned this area as an area of resistance, and you guys can clearly see that this area of resistance was tested and we could have gone short from here. This arrow was already made for you guys. And now another area of support was mentioned over here, that this was the area of support. You guys can clearly see that market went down all the way in this area once again, and then market pumped up again, and once again market made another top, and then market started to go down, and you guys could easily go short from this level. Okay, now let us take the amount of trades that you guys could have taken easily, and uh, how much profit could you guys have made. Okay, in terms of trading, the initial profit of selling would be from here, so your take profit would be approximately till here, which is 1.9% from this selling scenario. Now let us check out the buying scenario. We could have bought from here, and our take profit would be this area, and our stop loss would be just below this candle. Okay, this is a 4% profit, but we might have hit our stop loss if we would have entered on the basis of this trade. So if we push up further and enter over here, then we could have made a lesser profit, but still would have been in profit. So this would be approximately 1.4% profit here. Okay, so the next area of buying was this. So if we entered our buying scenario over here, we would have made profit till here, and our stop loss would be exactly below this candle. So this is a 1/2 trade and 2% profit easily from this trade. So overall, three scenarios have been hit so far. And if we continue further, then our selling scenario would be from here as well. Our this area would be our selling area, and the take profit would be still running. We will still be running in profit of 5%. Okay, so now let's remove the previous day's scenarios, and let's have a look at all the possible scenarios that can come our way tomorrow. Okay, so I am removing all the previous scenarios so we do not get confused at any point of time. Okay, so what we have observed is that market has made a new high over here, so we will put a Fibonacci level from the lowest point to the highest point. and we will check out if our 50% area has been tested or broken. You guys can clearly see that after this new high, the market has retraced both at 50% or rather more than 78%. This means that market is very much about to break this area, and this area would now turn into an area of resistance. Okay, so let me remove this. So now all these areas are now going to be in red color, and this area is line is also to be in red color, and this area is also going to act as an area of resistance, and these two lines are also going to act as an area of resistance. Okay, so we are going to wait for this area to be tested, and we will go long from here. If market tests this area, then we will definitely go long from here. On the other hand, if market enters this zone, then definitely we are going to go long from this zone. Okay, so what I am assuming is that as market is currently still going down, so I am assuming that if market continues to drop and test this area, then maybe we can and close above this area, maybe we can go long from here. Or on the other hand, if market just simply close above this area and we are a risky buyer, we will go long over here. And a third scenario of buying would be if market closes above this area and market tests this area once again, and then market goes up. We will go long from here as well. Okay, and for selling scenarios, the first scenario would be market closes below this area and then market tests this area once again, and market closes below this area, we will go short. And on the other hand, if simply market just closes below this area, we will go short from here. Okay, and on the other hand, if market just tests this area and market closes below this area, we will go short from here. And similarly, market tests this area, we will go short from here. And as this new area has been formed, so what do we do? We mark the new territory for the buying. This area is our best area to sell. Okay, so this is the analysis today for the dollar analysis DXY. Now let's continue to the next pair, which is EURUSD. Okay, so as you guys can clearly see that our given areas have been respected beautifully. So what has happened since yesterday? So when we were giving you trades, market went all the way till this point, and market did not respect this area, market was above this area. Then market respected this area, and then market was below this area. Then market came all the way down, and then once again market went up. So you guys can clearly see that risky buying setup from here and from here, they came into play beautifully. And if we look at that amount of profit, would be approximately over here. Stop loss would be approximately over here. So this is a good 6.7% profit from this risky buy trade. And another position what we would have taken from here. Take profit would be approximately till there, and our stop loss would be approximately over here. So this is a good 4.4% profit on this trade. And if we would have gone short from this area, stop loss would be over here, and the take profit will be approximately over here. So this is a good 1.3% selling profit. So now let us make new areas, and let me give you new buying and selling scenarios for tomorrow in this pair. Let me remove the previous setups. Okay, so market is currently over here and is making a new high. So this area is now going to act as an area of support, and even this area. All these support areas will now turn into, sorry, these selling areas are going to turn into support areas. So what do? We have our minor area of support over here, and our resistance area is here. Short-term resistance, obviously. So how do we trade if market touches this area and market closes below this area? We are gonna go short. If simply market just closes below this area, we will go short from here. This will be a risky trade, but still maybe we are going to take some risk. Okay, so on the other hand, another scenario that can come into play is something like this, and this. So we have to be vigilant as from where should we take a trade from. So this is our area of buying, and these two areas still remain valid if by any chance we have an opportunity to buy. Okay, so if market tests this area and goes above this area, maybe we can buy this pair. And quite simply, if just market closes above this area and we are a risky buyer, we can go long from here. Okay. And on the other hand, if market closes above this area, market tests this area again, and market closes above this area, we are gonna go for a long buy trade from here as well. Okay, so now let's move on to the next pair, which is GBPUSD. So since we were yesterday discussing this pair, you guys can clearly see that market went down quite a bit, and we gave you some buying setups. They did not really come into play, but our selling setups came into play beautifully. First of all, the risky selling was played out beautifully till here. Then our selling on the second test of this area, then and one below this area, this was another good profit. So for example, if we would have traded over here, profit would be approximately 3% in this trade. And if you would have gone short from here, then profit. Okay, so profit will be approximately 6.8% if we would have taken this huge selling trade. Okay, so now let me remove the previous setups so we can make place for the new scenarios to be executed. Okay, so as you guys can clearly see that market is currently trending at almost the same level since yesterday, but it has made a new low, which means that market is preferably gonna go down. So my preference would be to sell this pair from here if I'm a risky seller. If I'm a non-risky seller, I'm going to wait for this area to be tested again, the market to close below this area. And on the third hand, if market just tests this area, market tries to go above this area, and then market closes below this area. Okay, these will be selling setups. For buying scenarios, we have to look for some area of support, which is this area. And the second area of support would be if this market goes above this area. And then maybe we can go long straight from here as well. Okay. So, and these areas and these areas are still valid. If by any chance market touches these areas, then we are going to go long and short accordingly. Okay. So now let's move on to the next pair, which is the gold. So since we were yesterday discussing gold, gold was over here and we gave you a selling setup and it was executed perfectly. From this, market went all the way down to this level. How much profit would that be? It would be simply 11% profit, okay? And another trade would be, yes, we gave you another trade of market entered this area, we can go short, and you guys can clearly see we could have gone short over here and made approximately 1% profit. And then we gave you a buying area of this support level, and market respected this support level beautifully, and then market went up all the way. So you guys can clearly see that if you would have taken a long trade from here, we would be still in profit and our profit would be amazing. Okay, so this is approximately 2.5% profit, 25% profit. Okay, oh sorry, this is approximately 7.6% profit mentioned over here. Okay, so now let me remove the previous day's setup so we can have fresh scenarios in place for you guys. Okay, so since it made a new bottom and then it went all the way up till here, and now I'm expecting the market to retrace a bit. The market has fallen a lot and now it is trying to go up. Okay, so how are we going to trade this pair? Let me give you all the possible scenarios for tomorrow. So first of all, if market respects this area and then market closes above this area, we are gonna go long. On the other hand, if market closes above this area and we are a risky buyer, we are gonna go long. And on the other hand, if market enter this area, then market respects this area, and then market closes above this area, we will go long once again. And for short scenarios, if market closes below this area and then market respects this area and then market closes below this area. Okay, so on the other hand, if market closes below this area straight away and we are a risky seller, we can go short straight away. And we have to be vigilant if at any given point of time market enters this area and gives us a selling signal, then we are gonna go short from here as well. Okay, well, that's all for today from today's video. I hope you guys would have liked scenarios for today and you guys will make good profits tomorrow. So just be vigilant, do not risk more than you can afford to lose. See you guys in the next video. If you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.